Hey Flutes. After last week's lesson, we realized we should have had you tape up one more key. So we're going to show you that tape. We're going to show you a couple handhold positions, and the handhold is going to lead right away into our first three notes. We already kind of remember G. We kind of barely covered F and E flat, and we're going to do those a little more extensively in this video. The first thing you need is some blue tape. You just need one little teeny tiny piece. Whenever you get that, click continue. All right, you got your little piece of tape. I'm going to ask you to take this bottom joint off, okay? It's the last thing we assembled. There's these keys right here, in the uppermost like oval kind of square shaped one. I'm gonna put that on that one. This is that pinky key that we had a really hard time discovering. Some of you did fine, but a lot of you did struggle with it. It's a little confusing. We're putting on that top pinky key. Again, looking at our flute, we're gonna line up the rod with the keys and the tone hole, and we should be good. Tape, 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 three pieces of tape, tape on the back, and then now new tape on the pinky. When it looks like this, continue. All right, so you've double checked your tape is in perfect spots. We're gonna learn our first couple notes. I'm gonna ask you to do what we call shoulder flute. I don't want you to put it up to your lips to play because we want your eyeballs to be able to see our fingers. The first thing we're gonna do is put our fingers on our left hand. 1, 2, 3. This is the thing I made you do with your eyes closed, and we grabbed it and double checked and things like that. But your finger's gonna be able to feel where it is based on the tape as well. Fingers 1, 2, 3, and thumb. This right here is your G. Now, a lot of times what we do with our pinky key is we put our pinky key on, and as you get to be a better player, you'll notice it doesn't change the sound at all. But for holding purposes, it's always easier to hold with two hands rather than one. So G is gonna be 1, 2, 3 with our left hand, pinky, and thumb just kind of holding it like this. Notice how my thumb and pinky are kind of just in natural spots. A lot of you are trying to go like this and move it around funny. It's pretty easy. Just grab it, put your pinky on, and wherever your thumb normally lays, that's where it would be. Check your G like this. When you're in this position and you've double checked 1, 2, 3, pinky, thumb, hit continue. All right, you've checked for a G. Now look at your fingering chart and see if you can figure out what F is. When you think you know the answer, click continue, and I'll see if you're right. All right, the yellow sheet should have told you where F is. Let's take a look at our shoulder flute here. G is 1, 2, 3 with that pinky and our thumb. F is gonna be really easy. We take our pointer finger, put our first key down. That's what you did, you're in great shape. If you didn't, double check that left and right hand. Again, G, F. All right, put it down. I want you to pick it up, see if you can find your G and then your F with your eyes closed. I want you to pick it up and close your eyes and then open them up, check your work. I want you to do that 3 times. Ready? Go. All right, seems a little silly to do with your eyes closed, but it is really good because we have to get the feel rather than the visual because we're not gonna be able to see our fingers very well. So you have G, F. Now look on your yellow sheet, there's 2 changes we need to make to go to an E flat. G to F was one simple change. But now look at the E flat. There's a finger that moves in the left hand, and there's 2 fingers that move in the right hand. Can you figure out what they are? Look at your yellow sheet and see if you can figure out how to play E flat. Did you figure out what they were? Left hand is going to move up, pointer finger, and then because we moved a hand up, we need to move some other fingers down in the right hand, and we're gonna put our other 2 fingers down. F, flip to E flat. Show me that on your shoulder flute right now. Show me F. Can you take your left finger up, right finger's down, show me E flat. All right, quiz time, ready? Show me on your shoulder, show me G. Did you get 1, 2, 3? Show me F. Did you add a pinky? Show me E flat. Did we lift 1 pinky, put down 2 more? E flat, right? E flat? Okay. We will continue to quiz you on these notes over and over, but the fingering chart combined with this video, combined what we do in class, will really help you. Again, make sure you can do it on the shoulder before you ever start to put it up and play, because this makes life a lot more difficult with the fingers because you can't see them anymore. Good luck, flutes.